Welcome back, my friends. 9:14 a.m. May the 4th be with you all. It was a super busy night and continuing to be a super busy day, as you can see right in front of your eyes. Texas, Oklahoma, and then all the way across the Gulf area of the United States, now moving into the eastern central part of the country, as you'll see on the chart here. Crosses over Tennessee, Kentucky, and now doing its thing kind of in the Carolinas, a little bit towards the southeast, but again, more in that central area exiting into the Atlantic Ocean today. And one decent bit of information we have is that we have past data to compare this to. So if we come over to this website, very good report website, hailreports.com, we can track individual reports of wind, hail, and tornado activity, as you can see here. So I have this set for today, and you can see our first reports are already coming in of hail right in the San Antonio, Austin, and Houston areas. So we're going to see more and more of these reports, and sooner than later we're going to start seeing the tornado reports. So I'm going to click on yesterday just to get an idea of how much weather we dealt with. We will take the unknown wind tab away so we can clearly see the hail and tornado reports, and we had basically 2, maybe 3 big sections of weather yesterday. We had the Texas event we all know about with tornadoes, massive hail. Some of these hail reports, some reports you can clearly see here near San Antonio, 3 inches in diameter. That is deadly hail. As the severe weather continued, we had some situations near Illinois and Missouri as well. We could see the tornadoes there, and then continuing more into what today is going to look like, we had that tornado in Kentucky, and then a spread of severe weather that is continuing right now through Georgia and to the East Coast, the Carolinas, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay, possibly even Pennsylvania. Jumping over to Ventus Sky, it is clear as day why we are having this situation. The energy coming out of the Gulf is exactly what's causing this, and then the different situations going on with the atmospheric conditions. The jet stream is allowing this warm air to come up. It's meeting with cold air. That's where our thunderstorms come from. And as we hit play, this thing's starting at about 8 a.m. Eastern time. We could see it morphing up towards the East Coast and then exiting out into the Atlantic Ocean like we spoke about. And that will bring us to tomorrow, which is this chart here. We see the SLGT severity color is not on the chart for tomorrow, so the bulk and peak of this situation is happening today and more than likely this evening and tonight. So it's very important to stay up to date with your local weather. For anybody interested in the storm chasing videos, they are flooding the internet right now, as this is a huge situation. We can see every major weather outlet is specifically talking about this tornado situation and the hail. The hail is super dangerous, and it's been a theme going on the last couple weeks. As far as that goes, my friends, that is the bulk of the information going on right now. We can see there are many different situations going on just because that main bulk of energy is now centralized over Tennessee and Kentucky. We clearly see that that is not the only place with severe weather. We still have a Jackson, Mississippi area tornado, possibly even 2, and then severe weather warnings down near Houston in that southeastern part of Texas. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Specifically here in this Jackson, Mississippi area, we can basically see a very good tornado signature. This is what you want to look for. This is like that hook symbol you see, which clearly shows velocity and rotation. Here on radar scope, we can literally watch the beginning lifespan of this tornado. This could be on the ground as we speak. We could see almost a debris field. And I apologize for the clicking, but we'll go step by step, and you can see this thing flowing into the tornado warning area. That is the red box you're seeing. And then by the end of the frames here, we actually see the rotation. Let me back up one frame there, and that's the last frame we have. So we almost see this 90-degree angle. That's actually a turn. We're going to start seeing counterclockwise spin. That is why this red box is here. And when we click the county area, we can see that we're near Brandon, Braxton, Puckett, and then Polkville will be in the next area to watch. And right there shows us clearly that this severe weather situation is not anywhere near over, and it's happening in multiple areas. So we need to stay up to date. We need to stay informed. I'll jump back on a little bit later, possibly even doing some live stuff when it comes to these tornadoes, and get through this May 4th together. I want to thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. It means the world to me. I hope this information is helping you, and I'm going to continue putting these updates out for you on a daily basis. Any questions or comments, please leave down below. Shout out to Canada. And very soon, my friends, this is going to be the topic of conversation. You are looking at the Atlantic Ocean as we approach hurricane season. Thank you all so much. I will talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all, and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.